So I'm guessing the only reason you clicked on this video is to learn how to make a Discord bot. Well, look at you, I'm here to tell you, in under 5 minutes I will teach you how to make a bot with Python. So let's begin. So the first thing you really want to do is actually first create a Discord bot by going to Discord developer portal, which will be the link in the description below. Create a new application, you can call it anything you really want. For me I already have one called tutorial bot, and you should see the screen like this, and then all you're going to do is just go to the bot section. And then there should be a button that tells you to create a bot. Just do that, and then you should be able to see this. Afterwards, just enable all the intents, present intent, server member intent, and message content intent. This is very important for Discord developing. And then afterwards, just go to the auth2 players, L generator, select the bot, and then scroll down, and then you should select the permissions you want the bot to have. Copy it, paste it into the search bar, and then invite the bot to a server you want to use it on. Afterwards, we need to first install the Netxcord library. We're going to be using Netxcord, not discord.py, because Netxcord is the one that's being worked on the most. So just type in Netxcord. But by doing that, go on a GitHub page, and then just scroll down until you see the installation place. So there's two ways you can install Netxcord. You can either do the base installation or with more installation packages. Today we're going to do the installation packages, so just copy and paste this. Open your command prompt by just typing cmd, and then paste the command like this. However, since I already have Netxcord installed, it wouldn't install for me, but for you it should be able to. And then just go on VS Code or an IDE of your choice. And now we can actually start coding our Discord bot. So first what we're going to do is actually import the Discord library. So just do import Netxcord, which imports the Netxcord library. And then we need to do from Netxcord import commands, which imports the commands. And I forgot the ext part, import commands. And now we need to actually establish the bot object. So just do bot equals commands dot bot uppercase, open brackets, and then type in command prefix, and then type in a command prefix you want to have, for which is going to be dot. And then one thing that I kind of forgot about is we need to first get the intents that we selected beforehand by just doing intents is equals to Netxcord dot intents intents in uppercase dot all open bracket close bracket, and then just type in comma intents is equals to intents, which will enable us to use commands. And then afterwards we're going to create a quick little event to tell us when the bot is ready to be used by first establishing an event by doing @bot.event async define on underscore ready open bracket, and then type in print bot is ready. All this does is we're using an inbuilt function called onReady, which lets us run this command or commands when the bot is actually ready to be on. And then if we just going to do bot.run open bracket, paste your token down here, just don't share it with everyone, that's extremely important. And now if you just do start debugging Python file, get away, and if you look at the console, we should be able to see bot is ready. And then if we go back to Discord, we can see our bot being online. So now let's add a bit more functionality to this bot by adding a very simple command called ping pong command. And to do that, we can just do @bot.command open brackets. If open brackets has to be on the command one, unlike the event, or the command will just not work. And just do async define the command name, which is going to be ping open bracket ctx, and then do await ctx send pong. So now what it does, the bot listens up for .ping, which is the command name down here, and I'm going to send a message back on the channel the command was sent in, which is what ctx is. All it means is the context of the message. And now if we just reload the bot, go back and do .ping, as you can see it now does pong. So now you have created a functional bot using Python and on Discord. So if you enjoyed the video, just hit the big fat like button, subscribe to my channel for more, and be waiting for more future videos on more advanced functionalities like moderating commands, banning commands, voice chat commands, all that jazz. So see you in the next one. Goodbye.